is about to go down.
This is my dialect. Try reading it. Okay. Akyekyedeɛ. Akyekyedeɛ.
What did you say?
Akyekyedeɛ.
Hey!
Mogya, duduɔ, ashwɛ, yɛde, nsuo, na ɛfra. Okay.
Hey, who are the storyteller? Are you sure?
Welcome to the Matter Gags.
Hello lovely viewers, it's your girl Christy aka Niki CH, and welcome back to the Matter Gags. Bruni obetimi Akan. Yes, can the white speak my dialect? If you really want to know, follow me. And on today's Akan proverb is Akyekyedeɛ penny mogya duduɔ ashwɛ yɛde nsuo na ɛfra mano.
Hi, please what's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan, do you have a nickname?
My friends call me Tenau.
Tenau?
Yes.
Nice name.
Yeah.
This is my Ghanaian dialect.
Look at it. Akyekyedeɛ.
What?
Akyekyedeɛ.
Hey! Come here. Tell you about us.
I'm small.
Tell you about us. Hey, come on, leave me. Continue. No problem.
Penny mogya duduɔ ashwɛ yebunankawefoɔaɔkaho. Na ɛfra mano.
Hi, I'm Michelle. Michelle, do you have a nickname?
No, not really. Everybody just calls me Michelle. Sometimes Shelly, but that's not really a thing.
Okay. Well, can you try reading my dialect?
Oh my god.
Look at this.
Akyekyedeɛ.
Jesus! What did you say?
Akyekyedeɛ.
Jesus!
Hey! Nkata tonge.
Akyekyedeɛ. Penny mogya duduɔ ashwɛ yɛde nsuo na ɛfra mano.
Come on, stand here. I will lay you. Next time. Bust down!
Please what's your name? Chelsea. Chelsea, do you have a nickname? Leegwater. Leegwater? Yes. Okay. And this is my dialect. Can you read it?
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Akyekyedeɛ.
What?
Akyekyedeɛ.
Who taught you that?
It's you.
That's the way you talk. Repeat them again.
Akyekyedeɛ.
Continue. No problem.
Mogya duduɔ ashwɛ yɛde nsuo na ɛfra mano.
Wow! Hey! So intelligent.
Welcome to the Matter Gags. We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.